Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1000! I need like a special effects to like go off when I say 1000 of trying a new makeup product every day. Holy moly, I cannot believe this is 1000 makeup products that I've tried out, 1000 videos in a row. Okay, it's just crazy. It's mind-boggling. When I first started this series, I never would have believed I would have gotten to day 1000 of trying a new makeup product every day. That's just so much makeup to try out and so many videos. But you know what I think is even crazier than that? The fact that I don't want to stop. I love this series. I love you all for watching. I love makeup. I don't want to stop. I love YouTube. So I just can't even now fathom a time when I will stop. Luckily for me, there are so many makeup products out there. You know, maybe I'll stop when there are no more makeup products for me to try out. How does that sound? Oh my gosh, so crazy. Well, so for day 1000, I would love to do like a $1,000 giveaway, but honestly, I'm not at that point yet. Someday, I hope that I will be. But so to celebrate day 1000, the giveaway that I can do is a $100 gift card. I wanted to come up with something that would be exciting because this is a big deal, but also, you know, with the pandemic, I don't want to be sending, I mean, it's probably fine to send products that I've touched, but I still feel a little bit iffy about mail, so I figured rather than give away a bunch of products, I mean, they would of course be new products, I decided that what would be safest, most convenient for whoever wins would be a $100 Ulta gift card. That way you can get whatever you want with that gift card. So to enter my giveaway, it'll be very easy. Just subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below letting me know a product that you would like to see me review. So a product for me to try out in a future video. Or if there's a product that I have already tried out as part of this series that's one of your favorites, let me know in the comments down below what's one of your favorite products that I have tried out. And then also let me know a way to contact you. So you can leave your Instagram, email address, however you want me to contact you. So just those three things. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment of a product you've seen me review that you love or you'd like to see me review, and a way to contact you. Also, if you feel up to it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well for a little bonus entry. However, I really can't ask anyone to follow me on Instagram because I don't post on Instagram all that much. So that's just a little extra. If you feel generous, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @thelifeofchristina. And you know what? Maybe I'll get better at posting there. And this giveaway is going to stay open for 1 week, so it'll be open until November 4th. So good luck and thank you ahead of time for entering. But so for today's product, the 1000th product that I'm trying out, I wanted it to be a really fun product. So I am going to be trying out the Moods palette by Laura Sanchez, which this just looks so fun just based off the packaging. And I have heard so many great things about this palette. I got it in my October 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, and I am so excited. It looks so beautiful. So we've got 4 shimmer eyeshadows, 4 matte eyeshadows, and 2 highlighters. It even has a brush and a big mirror. So this is just an awesome kit. I think I need to swatch everything in here. I'm just gonna go for it. Start out with the highlighters. Ooh, is this shimmery or matte? Oh my gosh, I think that's a duochrome with like a pink reflection. Pretty, oh my gosh, that's like a beautiful shimmer. Okay, I love both of these highlights. Such pretty shades. And these highlights will also be beautiful on the eyes. But I love that there's that like magenta holographic duochrome sheen. That first one. And then I'll swatch the shimmers. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm in love with the pink shades in this palette. Oh, but that blue? Whoa, why did that blue swatch so much better than that purple? Okay, that green is also amazing. I don't know why that purple was so lacking pigment and splotchy. Weird. The other shimmers swatched really beautifully. And then I'm gonna swatch these matte shades. Ooh. Those look great. I'm very impressed with those mattes. Great pigment. Okay, so this is day 1000. I think I might have to do like the ultimate Christy eyeshadow look and make it very pink and sparkly. But then I also love the rainbow. Okay, I'm just gonna go for like my favorite colors and just have fun with that. But so I am gonna go ahead and test this out with and without the eyeshadow primer. That's something that I've learned throughout this series that I love to do. And it really can make such a difference how an eyeshadow looks with and without a primer. So I'm just applying primer to one of my eyes. I'm using the Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix in Matte. It's the eyeshadow primer I use every time these days. And I apply that all over the eyelid. I actually want to go ahead and add some highlight. So I'm going to add some highlight to my cheeks, and I'm going to take this little fan brush. This is a Had Hanel brush. And picking up some of the shimmery pink highlight. Ooh. See, I love this pink tone highlight for my skin tone. Look at that beautiful glow. It's kind of got this like icy glow to it, and oh my gosh, that is so pigmented and shows up so well on the skin. Gosh, it adds so much radiance. Oh my gosh. So easy to apply. Oh my gosh, I feel like I am so glistening and I love it. It looks really, really good on the skin. Like a nice smooth formula that even though it has shimmer to it, it's not too much of like a sparkly streak. I just love the way it looks when the light reflects off of it. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. I'm gonna put a little bit of this highlight on the eyes as well. And I'm gonna just take a little bit and apply it under the brow. Oh my gosh. Look at that, so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm also gonna apply it to the inner corners. Oh, gosh. I'm obsessed with this shade. Maybe for day 1000, I should just completely cover my entire face in this pink sparkle. I'm very tempted, believe me. But okay, time to do a different color. You know, I think I just have to go for it and do a pinky purpley blue eyeshadow look. So I feel like a good transition shade to pull that all together is this holographic duochrome white. And I'm going to put that from crease to brow bone. It kind of disappears in certain light, but then you can see it in other light. All right, so I'm also going to go ahead and pick up the beautiful matte pink on a smaller crease brush and then focus that right into the crease. This is seriously an amazing matte pink. I love the tone of it, and it's so pigmented and it's blending out so nicely. But I kind of want to keep it dark and pigmented, so I'm going to go in with even more. All of the pink and sparkle on my face right now is making me so happy. All right, so now I'm like, I could go with any color in here. I could go yellow and go more like sunset look, or I could do the purples and the blue. Oh gosh, what do I want? I think I'm gonna do some purple. I'm really curious how the purple's gonna look on the eye since it didn't swatch that great. But so I'm gonna use my finger and apply some of this purple. Oh my gosh. It looks perfect. It looks beautiful on the eye. Wow. I'm so surprised that it didn't swatch amazing because, gosh, that is full pigment, foiled, beautiful color on the eye. Okay, good choice with the purple. These formulas are beautiful. They are definitely living up to my expectations based off of all the great feedback I got on this palette. How fun is this pink and purple look right now? Ah! Of course I have to apply this beautiful pink shimmer with like a gold reflection to it. Love this shade. And I'm gonna apply that to the rest of the eyelid and have a shimmery pink and purple eyelid. Recently I was trying out an eyeshadow palette and I was like, why are the shimmers always so much better than the mattes in so many different palettes? But you know, this is an example of a palette where the mattes are just as pigmented and blendable and beautiful as the shimmers. So that's very impressive for a palette. And then I'm just blending it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go for it. I can't resist this blue. So I'm gonna add a pop of this teal blue on the lower lash line. It's just too beautiful of a shade to not use in this look. Oh. Okay, here is my pink, purple, blue, sparkly eye and face look for today. And oh my gosh, I could not be happier. I am amazed with the glow to my skin right now. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be reaching for this highlighter all of the time. And these eyeshadows are amazing. The colors are just so fun and beautiful, but the formulas are also so impressive. So this is the eye with the primer versus the eye without it. Absolutely no difference. There's no creasing. The color is just as vibrant with and without the primer. So yay. Well, my 1000th makeup product was an absolute success. I love this. I really think that this is an awesome travel palette because you know, you've got your easy, neutral, daytime colors, but then you've got any other color you could really want to wear, and then beautiful highlighter. Shoot, I forgot to try the brush. Oh, but that's okay. It's good to try out the products with brushes that you know, so then you're getting a true review of the product, not the brush. But then you get that big mirror, which is so essential for travel palettes. But yay, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this, and if you have it, let me know what kind of looks you've done. And if you do have this and you have not done a colorful, fun look, I encourage you to go get your palette and play around with it because I think it's gonna make you really happy, just like I'm so happy from playing with this palette now. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please be sure to enter the giveaway because I really want to give back to you all for supporting me. It means so much to me. So as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.